feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hello, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I am unboxing a new dust collector that was sent to me from the brand Janolia. So they sent this to me to review for you guys and let you guys know all of my thoughts and opinions on this product. And it came at a perfect time because I was actually in the market for a cordless dust collector. Included in the box with this dust collector, you do get the charger cord. Of course, you get the dust collector. You get an instruction manual, which has the instructions and the user guide in many different languages. And you also get some filters. You get 30 of them. And the claim for these filters is that they actually will capture 99% of dust particles. This collector has a 6,000 RPM motor, so it's going to efficiently capture all the dust and debris that you get from when you're filing or drilling your nails. And because it's cordless, you can move it around on your desk. It is a nice small dust collector. I think it's good for somebody like me who's just a DIYer. I'm not a nail tech, so this small dust collector is the perfect size for my desk. You can also use this dust collector while it is plugged up, but if you choose to use it wireless or cordless, then you will get a 4.5 hour use. The vacuum is 10 speed, so you will get so much suction power out of this, and it has a rotary knob so you can move it very easily. I am going to let you guys hear how the sound is for this dust collector. It is super powerful, and you do not have to use it at a 10 to get the best suction power. I did do a suction test just to see how good it is. So as you can see, the suction power is pretty good, and I did use clear acrylic. That's what that was, and there were no cuts, no edits, and nothing fell off. So I mean, speaks for itself, right? So I definitely trust that this dust collector will keep my area nice and clean from any dust or debris or anything like that. And with its powerful motor on the inside and a good cooling system, I think this dust collector could last me a really long time. So if you're interested in this dust collector, you can get it on Amazon. I'm going to link the actual link to the Amazon listing, but I'll also link it in my storefront as well. So if you come back to this video or something like that, it will always be in the Amazon storefront. And if you use code Brittany31, then you get 25% off. Thank you so much, Kylie at Janolia, for sending this dust collector over. I really appreciate it. So now let's get into the nail set. So I'm going to be doing the nails directly on my hand in this video. In the previous clip, you saw me using a e-file, and it was a very inexpensive e-file. It was only about $10. I do have another e-file coming in the mail, something that is a little bit more expensive, maybe more for professional use. And next week's trial and nail video is going to be all about e-files, since I'm going to unbox and open up a brand new e-file and share it with you all. So all of your tips, your tricks, and everything like that about e-files, those of you who are really experienced in it, then leave me any information in the comments below about e-files that you think might be useful. You can also link me any videos or things like that of people showing how to use an e-file, and I would really appreciate that, because I'm definitely going to do a whole bunch of research before I go ahead and film that trial and nail video, and I'll let you guys know what I found, and we're going to have a little bit of fun next week. So definitely turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss that. So I already did one hand off camera, and these are Janolia tips. They do come pre-etched, but I also etch them myself. I always do. To adhere these, I'm going to be using some air dry glue on the nails, and this is also from Janolia. I have a whole video on this particular air dry glue, and I've repurchased it probably about 3 times since then. So I do really love this glue. I don't have an issue with any wear or anything like that. No pop-offs. The nails don't come off until I'm ready for them to come off. So just make sure that your prep is really, really good. I did go on with a peel-off base coat first before I did this because I didn't want the nails to last super duper long. I actually took these nails off like the next day. That's because, hold on, I didn't like the set. But as I was editing this video and I watched the end clips of me showing you the final design, I like it. I really do. But when I first did them, I was like, I don't like them. But after watching this video back as I was editing, I do really like these nails. So I did get a little bit of spillage on this. So in order to clean that up, I just put some alcohol on a lint-free wipe. Now I will say that when you use air dry glue and you have to clean it with alcohol with a lint-free wipe, if you get any spillage, there's something, I don't know what the ingredients, but something reacts with the alcohol and it will turn the glue white. And that doesn't just happen with this air dry glue, it also happens with my KDS glue, my Macart glue, whatever air dry glue I use. If there is a little bit of spillage and I go to wipe it with alcohol, something reacts with it and it turns it white, like it turns the glue white. So underneath my nails where I cleaned up, where I had spillage because I have short nail beds, so I always have a little bit of spillage. I haven't perfected, you know, the ratio of glue to nail tip yet. So I wiped the back side or the underside of the nail with some alcohol on a nail brush. So it did turn the glue white, but that's okay because I do paint the undersides of my nails with top coat just so any dust or dirt, debris, food particles or things like that don't stick to the nail. So when I'm going to wash my hands, it's a lot easier to clean because it's not like sticky under there. But yeah, so I'm no pro with the e-file, you can probably tell in this video. That's why I'm doing a trial and nail video with the e-file so I can get some more feedback and more information from you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that video, which is next week. So I'm going to use a top coat, and this top coat is from Yogo Maya, I think is, and it is their low top coat. So this is the one that isn't super thick. It's the one with the blue label. So now it is the next day and I already did one hand. So this is my right hand that I did. So now in this video, I'm going to be doing my left hand. It's just easier to film that way. I went on with the not polished HEMA-free base coat, put that on all of the nails and gave it a full cure. And then I went on with the nail art. I only use two colors for this nail set. I use this pastel green from the brand Gel Monster. This is Zillaboo's, like their home brand. So Zillaboo is a website that sells Korean polishes, but they also have their own brand, and their brand is called Gel Monster. I have only about 4 of their polishes and they're really, really good. So you can check them out if you want to, but definitely wait for a sale. They just had their anniversary sale, so that passed. The next sale will probably be like Black Friday because they don't really do sales that often. And the yellow polish that I'm using in this video is from Creations by Brie. I already have a haul of that and some swatches of that, so you can definitely check that out. Oh yeah, I also use this one, but I don't consider this like a color. You know what I mean? It's just like a base color. I don't know, but it is from the brand Oy, and it is their nudie gel collection. I think they have like either 2 or 3 collections. I have 2 of them, and I really do like these gels. They go on really well, and they are some of the most perfect base colors. I got mine from maybe Sweetie Nail Supply. I don't remember if I got it from Sweetie Nail Supply or Zillaboo. It was one of the two. So definitely check those out if you're interested, if they still have them available, because I know that they marked the brand down. So I don't know if they're still available now. Now I'm going to go in with a split ombre design using the two colors, this green and this yellow from Creations by Brie, and it's going to be split down the middle. So I only put one layer of that base color because I knew I was going to put some more colors on top. I put one color on the left, the other color on the right, and I used an ombre brush to go ahead and blend the two colors together. For my chrome application on the pinky, I use this D&D clear chrome base, so it is made to use chrome with, and I put that on the entire nail because the pinky is just straight chrome. There's no other design or anything on it. So I put that on the nail, you cure it, and this is a D&D chrome, and I just put that over the whole entire nail, and that's all I had to do for the pinky. For isolated chrome, I'm using my favorite anti-chrome matte top coat. This one is from Ball Pit Nails, and I put that over the ombre nail, over the whole entire nail, because we're going to do some chrome polka dots. After I give this a full cure, I am going to go in with the D&D chrome base, but this time it is in black, and I'm just going to make some polka dots on there, cure it, and then you rub the chrome straight on the nail, and the chrome should only stick to the D&D base gel. And if you're still here watching right now, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's all free. Also, did y'all know that D&D has a HEMA and TPO free line that is available here in the US now? It's not on the D&D site. I'm guessing it will be on the site soon, but it is on another site. I think it's called like Nail Company Wholesale Supply, and they are an authorized retailer. And I did see that they said sometimes they're able to sell the collections before D&D even has it in the US. So now I'm going to do some blooming gel design. I just did some lines on the nails, so I'm using the D&D blooming gel because it is a slow moving blooming gel. In my opinion, things don't bloom as fast with this one, so that's why I picked this one. Put that over the whole entire nail, don't cure it, then go on with a liner brush and just put some lines on the nails, or you can use a dotting tool if you want to do that, that's fine too, and let it bloom to your desired effect, and then flash cure it in a place. We're almost done. For this next nail, I just did a straight across French tip, and I used the green as the base, and then I went in with the yellow from Creations by Brie and just did some yellow stripes. I also did some chrome dots along the base of that French, but I don't think I filmed that part. But yeah, I did do some isolated chrome on this nail as well. Okay, last nail, I'm going to go in with some glitter top coat. This one is from Glamorous Nail Essentials. I put this over the whole entire nail, gave it a full cure, and then I went on with the Glamorous Nail Essentials sticky coat, which is good for foil, is good for rhinestones and nail stickers, and also 3D lines. So I used it in this particular set for nail stickers. I have those 3D flower stickers. Sometimes it is really hard to get them to stick to the nail all the way. So a product like this comes in handy. If you don't have this, you may be able to use foil glue, because foil glue is really sticky, so that will probably give you the same effect. You can also use this for 3D lines, but I don't know if I would recommend that because it is sticky. You would have to top coat over top of it. And me personally, I like to use something that is non-white for my 3D lines. And now I'm just going to top coat the nail. I use the Yogo Zombie gel top coat, the low moving one. So it's the one that's not as thick, and the blue label. And that's it. That's all I did for the nail set. And we're coming up to the end shot. So this is the final nail design, and watching this back, you guys, I love this. I love this design. I'm not a fan of square nails. I think maybe that's what was getting me, was the fact that they are square. I'm not a fan of square on me. I like almond and I like stiletto on me, but square nails look great on other people. I just don't feel like they look the best on me. And now that I'm looking at this, I'm like, they look fine. There was nothing wrong with them. They look fine. I don't know. But I did take them off the next day. I just used some debonder and they popped right off very easily. But I would love to know what you all think of this nail set. Do you like the design? Are you a fan of square nails? Or what's your favorite nail shape? I like almond or stiletto, but I do really love this design. And now I kind of want to recreate it because when I popped the nails off, I didn't keep them. I could have kept them as press-ons, but I didn't keep them. I actually threw them away. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video, hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, and go ahead and hype the video if you want to. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are interested in this Janolia dust collector, then check out the link in the description box. It is on Amazon, and don't forget when you go to purchase to use my code, and my code is Brittany31. Thank you so much, Janolia, for sending this over. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye, guys.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what